So, it's come like when you play a ball match, and you get a side 6-0.
Yeah, it's sweet. Yes, Nigel. Talk to
The start. First me I eat that type of food, yeah?
Pineapple fried rice.
Pineapple fried rice.
Check in my beautiful people, your boy Knife Ninja day up on the ground. It's a beautiful day, guys, you know what I mean? Have to give thanks to life. Yo, forward over to me. Alright, yeah. Just take your time for forwarding. Nigel a big driver, man. Alright, so guys, rush your style. We're there up on an epic location. I'll cook some food, you know what I mean? You guys already know that I've been having issues with my devices and stuff like that. Nevertheless, you know what I mean? I just want to take the time off to big up Color Smith TV. Yeah, man, brother that. Big up Nigel, yeah, man, TV. My brother that, you know what I mean? So, trust me. I get a device, guys, and you don't know. I couldn't see the whole 9 yards still, but food on the riverside, you know what I mean? Invite Nigel in at the hills. This is the first time he's gonna be here at this particular location. I will just have a vibe, you understand? So just stay tuned and watch how I'm going to cook some fried rice, guys, some pineapple fried rice. It's gonna be something different. You know what I mean? Hope you guys like the video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Hey, your boy Knife Ninja there. You see me? So big up on yourself. We have Cuz Boy. What do you do? Touch it, just say hello to the people, man. You want to, man? Say hello to the people.
Hello, Cuz Boy. Still there.
That is it, man. And see general, yeah?
One vice advice, you know?
One vice advice.
Check in.
And the man himself, you know what I mean? Nigel, yeah, man, TV. So, see him here?
Yes, no, man. We are out here, people. Lay up on the riverside.
First year come here?
Yeah, man. First man come here, just bro. Just look nice, just look active.
The river there up that side. You know, say back yes, so before the storm, yes, so they flat in there, you can walk and the water they just have a little level. But after the storm, it kind of just, you know, whole like sand with it there, so lift up. All the stone they move, you know, Nigel. The storm move the stone, you know. Yes, no, man. Alright, so guys, stay tuned and watch what I go on. So set up your camp, you know, and do the right thing and just have a blast, you understand? So, the boy Knife Ninja active. Alright guys, check in. So today set up the tips. You know what I mean? One Nigel there. So we don't know. We have the chicken men cut up already. We have the egg. We have the other ingredients. So we start out with the pineapple. This is gonna be the star of the show. So on the pineapple. You know what I mean? I'm gonna say a pineapple fried rice, guys. You know what I mean? So when the pot then gone on, I'm making the show on one. You see me?
Oh, small one.
I'll say you catch it. Backside. Yo, oh, you have to catch it one right there by the side right there. Alright. I did a little contraction. A little piece of the banana powder. As I was saying, guys, it's a lifestyle moment. We're there with the whole team, you know what I mean? So when the pot them start going, I make on the seat and all of that, and we don't know where I eat the food and a bag of things, you know what I mean? So it's a good look, a bag of things. That is it. So big up Nigel, yeah, man, TV. Thanks to the phone again. Yeah, man, the phone. A nice phone, guys, you know what I mean? So we can start push out some serious videos, you know what I mean? And be consistent. There's it. So boy Knife Ninja there in the riverside. So stay tuned and show them. Guys, check in. So this is the layout, you know what I mean? So basically we have our chicken where we season up already. We have our egg. We have a cutting board, of course, the boy Knife Ninja active. We need to engrave Knife Ninja on a cutting board, you know? And of course, you don't know, we have a Maggi seasoning, big up Maggi, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, we have a teriyaki soy sauce, you know what I mean? Skeleton over there, so pineapple, check. Over here, so now we have a teriyaki on the rock, you know what I mean? So, a while ago, it with a blaze, so we have to check on it, you know, pan it and a bag of things. But the breeze are working in our favor today, you know what I mean? The place, overcast place, sunny. So we don't know, we have to keep cool in the water, you understand? So, your boy Knife Ninja active, guys, again. Big up Nigeria Man TV, big up Color Smith TV, big up Cuz Boy, big up One Vice. Yeah, man, them there, all a vibe. So, stay tuned and watch what I go on. Let's see if we can start the whole preppings shortly. So stay tuned. Guys, check in, look at that. Yeah man, so the chicken gone on guys. You know what I mean? Chicken is on, I do thing. So as I would say we are get a little, you know, fry. Over here so we have pineapple. We have a pineapple. We have a scallion of thyme. You know what I mean? We have an egg. We don't know we have a hot pepper with mixed vegetables. That's it. So what we are do, we are coming to bumps now and go and make the chicken fry a little bit. As I would say, a chicken breast it now really take my time. You understand? Yeah man. And if you don't want to see the extended version of this video guys, you know, have to go over Nigeria Man TV to go see what I go on and see all the whole 9 years ago. You know, isn't it? So that is it. So we are come to bumps and we are fried. It will fry nice and then we are take it out, transfer it to a container. And we are come to bumps. So after that we are put on the rice right away. Yeah man. Kind of cover the pot and make it steam a little bit. One of them pot cover the Nigel. I cover her up. Alright, so that is it peeps. Stay tuned. And watch what I go on. When we start something else, we are making you see what I go on. You know what I mean? Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. Watch the ads them guys, because that's how you support the channel. You understand? That is it. So we are cover it up here now. Yeah man.
That is it.
Make it cook faster.
Believe, yes, no man.
That is it. That is it.
Yeah.
Alright, so let's watch what I go on to. Alright, my beautiful peeps. So the patty, I love that patty, I know like that was. Alright, so we have a chicken, we have a pineapple, we have a seasoning. So over here, so we have an egg and sorry on the show again. We have a teriyaki sauce. And I mean soy sauce. So this has a lot of flavor. That's why I choose on here. We have a hot pepper of course. We have a mixed vegetable. So we just gone on with the rice pot over here so. So we are going to come to bumps now and make the pot go on hot. And then we are going to put on the rice right away. You understand? Yeah man. We put on the rice right away guys. You see me so? But stay tuned and watch what I'm doing. Done with the rice and all peeps. Now waste the time, you know. I was feeling little droppings a while ago the rain. Don't know the whole jasmine rice, so we're not gonna really eat too much washing.
Jasmine.
Yeah man, nice jasmine, you know what I mean? Here, 2 wash. Waste the rice, you know. Yes, no man. Alright, so we are going with the rice and stay tuned on it. Alright guys, look at this. So, see the rice, the feet. Coach boy up there, sir. That is it. Alright, so the rice are going with the self rice. We are making it go and steam some more. You know what I mean? And then we are take it off. And we are chew on, clean out the rice, put it in a container. And we are come to bumps and put on at the pot. And start the fry rice. We are putting the egg first. You don't know everything next. But the only thing we kind of worry about is how I'm going to maneuver the pot while it gets on this. I'm going to use 2 spoons to stir up and mix in everything, isn't it? I might just use my one hand and just use my next hand and hold on this and kind of mix in everything little by little, isn't it? So we don't know the thing, though. One team and one team. Sit and see how much I'm Yeah, I put some more rice in the can. One will put. Alright guys, we don't have no cutting tool, as in the cutter for the thing, so I use the scissors. And so far, It's doing an amazing job. That is it. So I show off this show off this something here. Come some bombs now. Take me a little time. Make sure I'm not cut myself. See it here? I go over here to my power unit and this will go on. So this is the fried rice peeps. I clean up just a little bit more. We're just mixing all of this quick and fast. Watch it. So this is an awesome combination peeps. No, like. So the ratio of chicken, the ratio of rice, you keep it? Oh man, nice. Watch it, get the reaction, you know. Alright.
Bomba, all the spice.
You taste the pepper?
Yeah, man.
Body, youth.
Body, child.
Yo, look on the color, man. Look on this. Imagine going to a restaurant and eating something like that. What I say? Pineapple fried rice. You see me?
Pineapple fried rice.
Yes, no, man. So now this one cook this like people and come here, brother. I mean. So as I was saying, the ratio of rice versus the pineapple and the chicken. If I put no more rice to it, it can probably change everything. So I'm probably just work with this. And I'll use the rice to do something else. You see me? But look on the color and the saturation and everything, guys.
Pineapple, $7.
Yes, no, man. That is it. So we don't really go on Night Interactive. Stick and stay and watch all going. We have to share some food, you know. And eat some food. And we have a few more stuff remaining. Probably one egg and some more pineapple and more rice. We have to bag up and use it for another meal. You know what I mean? But we're going to eat some food now. Because we're there quite some time. I'm hungry.
Quite some time.
You're hungry now? Yes, no, man.
You're starved.
Yeah, starved. Alright, I get the stuff them and clear out some food. So stay tuned after. Alright guys, so there comes some bombs now. The pot now, see it there? Pick off the pot. So we can start cooking at this, so we are doing nothing over there.
Yes, man. Wash that.
Alright. That's the style, so food done. Man, them forward. You're forward to some food, man. You see me?
Forward in.
See it a peep? So this me I eat out, you know. This me I eat out, you see me? So,
is that your mouth?
yeah, man, this me I eat out, man. Yeah, man, this is for my mother. Nigel, you that, you know, the man, them, rest of the man, them can get them, yeah? Yeah, man, that is it, man, so. So, go on. Active.
Active.
You man there?
Respect.
You come on. Pick up a part. The part them there in the bag, yeah? Now get the part. That's nice, man. Yeah. So guys, it was a nice adventure, you know. We cooked some good food. Pineapple fried rice. We cooked it down with egg, chicken, mixed vegetable, everything. You know what I mean? It tastes good. So stick and see how much we're going.
Bro. Nice.
Bad. Yes, no man. Yeah, man.
You got me chef yesterday.
That is it, man.
Listen.
Listen, woman love me. Yo. You must love a man, is it? If you're watching this, my woman, make sure you love me, because you don't know. You don't love me somebody else well. Trouble. Yes, no man.
I'm saying people.
So my bro, where's about the food?
Could I eat it again?
Yeah.
Again and again, you see me?
Eat it again and again and again.
Yeah, man, you see, man carry something from family,
You
bro.
want to carry something for your family?
Ain't that good, bro.
Jaja. Oh gosh, man. Look, come on, what you say?
Yes, good, but more than eat it for 1 day.
Did I eat it for the whole day? You would eat it for the whole day? Why? Talk to me.
Yeah, it don't really taste good to me.
What you don't like?
Rice.
The rice? Warm to it.
That's
I first say fried rice. But that's why, man. Fried rice kind of it different, you know, you see me? Make sure you say eat up your food, man. Them food they make you big and strong, you see it? Where you say, my G?
You carry what, you know exactly what you just said. You carry what you in there.
Yeah.
Seasoning, you see me? Everything in there, bro.
That is it, man. Yes, sir, Nigel. Talk
Yo,
to
the start. First me I eat that type of food, yeah.
Pineapple fried rice.
Pineapple fried rice. Bam, bam.
You want the riverside pineapple them? You can't forward,
shot.
man. Me give you some.
Shot people.
That is it.
Yeah, man, one knife ninja.
Say cause why?
Bro. Oh God, bro. Sick, bro.
That is it, man.
You never feel us still, you know. You don't know. Jesus.
What you mean? Pineapple fried rice.
Everything does balance, bro.
That is it.
Spice, flavor.
Yeah, same thing.
Sick, bro.
You hear that? You cannot believe us. God. So where is it?
It's come like when you play a ball match and you get a side 6-0.
Yeah. It's sweet.
Sweet.
That is it, man. It's a pineapple fried rice. At first we do it, you know what I mean? First, you know what I mean?
Mad.
That is it, man. Alright, so guys, check in. So you don't know the thing, hope you guys enjoyed the video, you know what I mean? Trust me, it was really refreshing, guys. I enjoyed that vlog, you know what I mean? The experience was wild, you know what I mean? So a lot more videos coming soon, as it relates to the house. We actually did some work, I get some footage, so I could get that posted very soon, you know what I mean? And yeah, man, that is it, man. So we just want to give a big shout out to Nigel Yaman TV, you know what I mean? Trust me, the phone is amazing, you know what I mean? And it get me back on track, you see it? So you don't know, we are see if we can be active again, guys, and post the videos and, you know, consistent for 2026. The goal is to hit at least 40,000 subscribers before my birthday. I'm not quite, well, with all things, you know, with God all things are possible. That's what he's saying. So yeah, with God all things are possible. So I put God first and just try to put out the videos and, you know, put out good content, good editing, and, you know, adventures, outdoor settings and stuff like that. You see it? So yeah, man, guys, it's a good look, you know what I mean? Feel grateful. Well, yeah, big up Color Smith TV, guys. A whole heap of things we are doing at the back end, and you don't know, we get the car up and running. Yeah, man, so just want to give a big shout out to Colors, you know what I mean? Big up yourself. I want Color Smith TV, guys, never two. And for everybody who asks about the whole homeless feeding program, it is still active, you know what I mean? It's still active, guys. So once the car fully active and we can take on the road the real way, when I see the video them come out, you know, and all of that is it. So just want to put some clarifications right there. So see a lot of comments and people reach out and ask who are going for the feeding program, and sometimes I feel frustrated for I reply is it. So I hope this video clear up that. Is it. So your boy Knife Ninja there, guys. It's a beautiful day today, a Jamaica day. We just carry Aiden to school in Jamaica colors. You understand? So I'm gonna post this video, will be posted. Yeah, I post a video soon, pretty soon. So I'm gonna see that video. So hope you guys like it. Don't forget to hit the subscription button and watch the ads them, guys. That's how you support the channel. You know what I mean? So let's see if we can reach our goal. Yeah, isn't it? So big up on yourself. That is it. Your boy Knife Ninja out. Yeah, isn't it? Out there without fear.